If you want to speed up your POCO X7 Pro, then there is a simple app that you can use in order to do so, and that is the security app. Although it is for security, at least it says so, it actually has some great tools that we can use. For instance, over here, after a few seconds, we have the summary, and we can optimize our phone. So if you press optimize, then you have the information, what you can do in order to speed up your device. For instance, we can clear cache in order to get rid of some junk files, and so on and so forth. Some things, not all of them, but some things can be used in order to speed up our device. Besides that, we can also use the boost speed option over here. Once again, it uses a check, and then we can see what we can do. So let's press boost speed. There we go. And there we go. We have freed up some memory. Now our device is technically faster, and we should theoretically feel some, notice some change, right? We can also perform deep clean from time to time in order to release some space, but the space itself might not be really the issue here, but more so RAM and how much RAM is left. So besides that, let's check if there is anything else that we can do, and I think not. I think in security that's all we can do really. But besides that, we can also go to the settings. Over here in settings, first let's stop by going to battery. And here in the mode, we can use the ultimate mode, which allows you to improve the performance of the device, but of course, the cost is the increased power consumption and maybe even overheating issues. But you can turn it on anyway in order to increase the performance of the device. And that is essentially it in terms of drastically improving our performance of the device. Actually, well, there's one more thing that you can do, and that is, of course, extending the RAM. So you can go to additional settings, and then over here, if you go to memory extension, you kind of want to make sure that you are using the highest option possible. So by default, I believe it is set to 6 GB, but you can switch to 12. If you choose a different amount, then you will need to restart your device in order to apply these changes. But you exchange storage space for additional memory, and that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!